I've been working on my house for a long time. The rooftop, the kitchen and the pet care room are ready. Let's go and check it out. This is my most useful room. I can feed up to 3 pets here. You have everything to run your pets' chores. You can wash your pets, feed them, and they can also have some rest here. This is my dream pet, the shadow dragon. Come on pet, show us how you use these stuff. My dragon is taking a bath. My dragon is taking a nap. My dragon is eating and drinking. There's also water and donuts for baby players. And this is the most important tool in my house, my DJ machine. I put the piano here, because if your pet is feeling bored, he can be happy again by playing with it. I actually didn't know this secret for a long time. Thank you, whoever told me this. 'Cause I forgot. Hee. The kitchen was finished today. Thank you my OP builder for your amazing help. Amazing, right? I love it. There's a surprise at the bottom of the swimming pool. Let's go for a swim. But let's jump from the top floor. My bedroom is not finished yet. Let's do it. I'll give you a great tip. If you hold your pet in the pool, you will sink and not float up. See? I can even dance. What are these mysterious signs? Hee. Follow me. I'm planning to make better stairs in the future. Welcome to my rooftop. I've spent a lot of time and money to make this. I want to thank all my friends who helped me with building this place up, and for your donations. I'll be building an OP game in the white space. Coming soon. This green area is to relax and enjoy the fresh air. Well, this was a huge mistake. This hot tub is supposed to do the hot springs chore for your pet. Well, I got news for you. It doesn't work. This is my bar. And this is one of my dance floors. Hey DJ? This is the hot tub. I love this game, the human cannon. Wow, nearly got him in the tub. I bet my dragon didn't like it. This is a hard obby. Not many players can do it. The lazy ones just fly on their pets. This is my sky disco. Making it was really hard. When someone is AFK, they sit on this sofa. Okay, let's go downstairs. I will show you my other rooms in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the tour. This is K Red Black 61, signing out until next time.